What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be installing fender flares today on the Subaru so I can fit my new wheels, which are over in that box right there. Let's go ahead, get the new wheels out, because I need to make sure that the flares actually will fit. So we're gonna start off with the front first and work our way around. We're gonna go front to back here and then back to front there. That's just because I like doing it that way. I've already checked over the flares. They don't look like crap, which is surprising because they were $40 flares that I got on Amazon. I thought, you know, they probably are going to look like crap. Surprisingly not. So we're going to go ahead and install these flares. I have to get the new wheels mounted though, so let's do that first. Yeah, so this is why I need the flares, because they poke quite a bit. So I'm gonna just sort of mock the flares up, and I might need to do some trimming on the flare itself to get it to fit how I want it to, but I think the end process will be pretty much the same. That didn't make any sense. Also, I'm not going to be able to see this dent afterwards, which I am happy for. I do need to cut away some of this, but that is for another day. I might not do that today. We're going wired. So this is what it looks like right now. I've decided to not include this last bottom piece here. I just thought this wasn't necessary. So there's another rivet here, but I'll figure out what to do with that. This side is now complete. There's all this done. I made a slot here so I can open up my door. Some of you might hate this, and others of you may not mind. It looks a little weird with the door open. It just kind of looks a little strange. But with the door closed, this will probably be closed most of the time, since I'm taking out the back seats eventually, not yet, but eventually. This back door probably won't open too many more times, but it's good to have the door be able to open.